chain set up that I can see. So I've been doing. It's already been dug up, but I still gotta dig more. Towards off. Towards like one tour right there. Another tour right there. Hold up. It's that pink tour right there. That been off. No, it did not come over from her. It's just alone. So, the other tour right there. That's what also came on as well. Anyways, so chain set up. I was doing like Barco CPT. I'm actually trying to dig a hole to see if this is gonna work. If not, I just put it on this, which that's what's gonna work. But anyway, let me go to get to work. Cause he put his in the ground, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. It's gonna be a while though. Shoot. I can see it's done. Now they're gonna measure this, so I'm gonna put it. I'll put this in there. I'm gonna pull. See how long it is. But I'm gonna actually pull it down. I'm itching. I think I sprained my ankle, but I know I didn't. I know I got bit because dumb old mosquitoes. Dumb mosquitoes. They want to bite on people for no reason. Okay. So right there. Better, so that should be good. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go take a shower. Good, not gonna be too long, but it's just short.